Imagine waking up to find a significant portion of your student debt erased. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it could soon be a reality with President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan. In this video, we'll break down the key components of Biden's student loan forgiveness plan, explain who qualifies and what steps you need to take to benefit from it. We'll also cover what will happen if Biden's student loan forgiveness does not pass. Whether you're drowning in student debt or just curious about policy changes, this video has the answers. The Biden administration's student loan forgiveness plan offers varying levels of relief, depending on individual circumstances. It targets those most impacted by student debt, particularly low and middle-income borrowers. The plan distinguishes between undergraduate and graduate loans, recognizing the different debt burdens associated with each. Individuals with undergraduate loans are eligible for up to $10,000 in forgiveness. This amount increases to $20,000 for Pell Grant recipients, acknowledging the greater financial need of these borrowers. The plan also sets income limits for eligibility, ensuring that the benefits target those who need it most. Borrowers with an annual income below $125,000 or $250,000 for married couples qualify for forgiveness. For borrowers with graduate loans, the plan offers forgiveness for the remaining balance after 10 years of consistent payments. This provision aims to provide relief for individuals who have diligently made payments but still face significant debt burdens. The plan also includes provisions for pausing interest accrual during periods of economic hardship, offering further protection for borrowers facing financial difficulties. Overall, the Biden plan represents a significant effort to address the student debt crisis. Its tiered approach aims to provide targeted relief to those most in need. However, the plan's success hinges on its ability to overcome political and logistical challenges. The coming months will be crucial in determining the plan's ultimate impact on student borrowers and the broader economy. Applying for student loan forgiveness under the Biden plan is designed to be a straightforward process, accessible to all eligible borrowers. The application is available online through the Department of Education's website, streamlining the process and eliminating unnecessary paperwork. Borrowers can easily create an account or log in using their existing credentials. The application requires basic information, including the borrower's name, contact information, and social security number. Borrowers will also need to provide details about their loan servicer and loan balance. The application includes a section for income verification, where borrowers will need to provide documentation such as tax returns or pay stubs. Once the application is submitted, the Department of Education will review the information and determine eligibility. Borrowers will receive a notification once their application has been processed. The forgiveness will then be applied to the borrower's outstanding loan balance, reducing their monthly payments or eliminating their debt altogether. The Biden administration has made efforts to simplify the application process and ensure its accessibility. However, borrowers may encounter technical difficulties or have questions regarding eligibility. The Department of Education has set up a dedicated hotline and online resources to assist borrowers throughout the application process, addressing any concerns and providing guidance. The potential benefits of Biden's student loan forgiveness plan extend far beyond immediate financial relief. By alleviating the crushing weight of student debt, the plan aims to empower a generation of graduates, enabling them to pursue their aspirations without the constant burden of loan repayments. This newfound financial freedom can have a transformative impact on various aspects of their lives. For many graduates, student loan debt acts as a significant barrier to homeownership. The high monthly payments often make it challenging to save for a down payment or qualify for a mortgage. With loan forgiveness, graduates will have more disposable income, bringing the dream of homeownership within reach and contributing to a more stable housing market. Moreover, the plan can empower graduates to pursue entrepreneurial endeavors. The fear of debt often stifles innovation and risk-taking, forcing graduates into stable but potentially unfulfilling careers. With reduced debt, graduates can feel more confident in starting their own businesses, leading to job creation and economic growth. Furthermore, the plan can alleviate the financial strain on graduates who choose to pursue public service careers. Teachers, social workers, and healthcare professionals often face high student debt burdens despite their vital contributions to society. Loan forgiveness can incentivize graduates to enter these critically important fields, addressing workforce shortages and strengthening communities. The impact of Biden's student loan forgiveness plan extends far beyond individual borrowers, with the potential to stimulate economic growth and address systemic inequalities. This plan is not just a financial relief measure, it is a strategic economic intervention designed to create a ripple effect that benefits the entire economy. By freeing up billions of dollars currently funneled into loan repayments, the plan allows individuals to redirect their finances towards other essential needs and investments. This influx of funds can help stabilize markets and provide a cushion against economic downturns. When people have more money to spend, they are more likely to purchase goods and services, which in turn supports businesses and helps them thrive. This increased spending can have a multiplier effect, benefiting local businesses and communities. This increased consumer spending can lead to business expansion, job creation, and overall economic growth. As businesses grow, they contribute to the economy by paying taxes, creating jobs, and investing in infrastructure. The plan's emphasis on providing relief to low and middle-income borrowers further amplifies its stimulative effects. These households are often the backbone of the economy, and their increased spending power can drive significant economic activity. Moreover, the plan can help address racial and socioeconomic disparities exacerbated by the student debt crisis. Black and Hispanic borrowers on average carry higher levels of student debt and face greater challenges in repayment due to systemic inequities in income and wealth. This plan aims to level the playing field by providing targeted relief to those who need it most. Narrowing the racial wealth gap and fostering an economy more inclusive are critical goals of this initiative. When more people have access to financial resources and opportunities, the entire economy benefits from their contributions. Making education more affordable for future generations is a key component of the plan. By reducing the financial barriers to higher education, we can ensure that more people have the opportunity to pursue their dreams and contribute to society. Pause 3S. What will happen if Biden's student loan forgiveness plan does not pass? The consequences could be significant for millions of borrowers. Without this relief, many individuals will continue to struggle with high monthly payments, limiting their financial freedom and ability to invest in other areas of their lives. The burden of student debt may also hinder economic growth, as borrowers have less disposable income to spend on goods and services. Pause 2S. Additionally, the lack of forgiveness could exacerbate existing inequalities, particularly for low and middle-income borrowers who are disproportionately affected by student debt. This could mean continued financial stress and limited economic mobility for countless individuals and families. Pause 2S. The debate over student loan forgiveness will likely continue, but the outcome will have far-reaching implications for both individual borrowers and the broader economy. Future policies and decisions will need to address these challenges, aiming to create a more equitable and sustainable financial landscape for all. Pause 3S. As we look forward, the importance of finding solutions to the student debt crisis becomes ever clearer. Whether through forgiveness, restructuring, or other innovative approaches, the goal remains the same: to build a brighter, more inclusive future where education is a pathway to opportunity, not a lifelong financial burden. Biden's student loan forgiveness plan could be a game-changer for millions of Americans burdened by student debt. While there are challenges and criticisms, the potential benefits are significant. If the plan does not pass, the financial strain on borrowers will persist, highlighting the need for alternative solutions. Stay informed, take advantage of available resources, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this evolving story. Thanks for watching.